If you've ever struggled with messy welds or complicated setups and just want a reliable welder without the hassle of gas, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Yes Welder 135A. The Yes Welder 135A MIG welder caught my attention right off the bat with its budget-friendly price of just $109.99. This 3-in-1 machine offers MIG, TIG, and stick welding capabilities, making it perfect for a variety of projects. If you want an affordable, versatile welder that gets the job done, this is worth a serious look. Now, let's dig into why this welder could solve your problems. The 135 amp output allows you to tackle mild steel workpieces up to 2/5 inches thick, which means you can work on everything from automotive repairs to home projects without breaking a sweat. What's cool is that it's designed for both beginners and seasoned pros, featuring a digital display to monitor real-time current and a synergic control system that automatically adjusts wire feeding speed depending on the thickness of your material. This means you can focus on your welding without constantly fiddling with settings. But here's the catch. Some users have pointed out that the included instruction manual can be a bit confusing. Now, I get that, but here's the thing. Once you get the hang of it, this welder is straightforward to use, and many find that it's worth a little extra time to learn. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for a cost-effective welding solution. However, skip this if you need advanced features for professional welding. It's really designed for home and DIY projects. For $109.99, you're getting a solid value. Now, if the Yes Welder's limited thickness support bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be better for heavier jobs. Product number 2, Best MIG 135A. The Best MIG 135A MIG welder, priced at a similar $109.99, this unit stands out because it comes with a comprehensive accessory kit including a welding helmet and gloves, which is perfect for beginners. If you want a complete package to start your welding journey, this one's worth checking out. The Best MIG offers a powerful output with a true current of 135A, allowing you to weld materials up to 1/8 inch thick. The fact that it automatically adjusts its parameters based on input makes it super user-friendly. Just load the wire spool, connect the gun, and you're ready to work. This means less time setting up and more time creating, which is what we all want, right? Plus, it's compatible with various materials, making it versatile for different projects. However, some users noted that the machine can be a bit noisy. Here's the thing though, that's pretty common for welders in this price range, and if you're working in a garage or workshop, it's likely not going to be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're just starting and want a complete setup without the hassle of extra purchases. On the flip side, skip this if you're looking for professional-grade equipment, as it's really meant for home and DIY use. The value for $109.99 is excellent. Alright, that was a solid option, but if you want something with a bit more power, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 3, Yes Welder 160A MIG welder, which retails for $179.99. What excited me about this model is its dual voltage capability, which means you can plug it into either 110 volt or 220 volt outlets. If you want flexibility in your welding setup, this one's definitely worth a serious look. This welder boasts a robust 160A output, allowing you to work on thicker materials and a wider range of projects, from automotive repairs to construction tasks. It supports a variety of wire sizes and welding modes, giving you the versatility to handle whatever project comes your way. The Smart Control feature automatically adjusts the voltage and wire feeding speed based on your settings, which is super handy for those who may not be as experienced. However, some users have pointed out that it's a bit heavier than other models at 27.8 pounds. I'll be real with you, this might be a downside if you plan to move it around a lot, but if you're primarily using it in one place, it's a non-issue. This is great for you if you're someone who needs a powerful, adaptable welder for more extensive projects. But if you're just a casual DIYer, you might find the power a bit excessive for simple tasks. At $179.99, it provides excellent value for its capabilities. Now, if the weight of the Yes Welder 160A is a concern, the next product on my list is compact and portable. Product number 4. Best Mig 145A 4-in-1 multi-process welder is up next, priced at $149.99. What I love about this machine is its combination of gas and gasless welding capabilities along with its compact design. If you want a reliable welder that fits both home projects and heavier tasks, this one's a great option. This welder supports dual voltage and can work with various wire types, making it super versatile. It can handle materials up to 3 millimeters thick and features an impressive synergy control that auto-adjusts settings based on your wire diameter and current. This means you can save time and focus on your welding instead of fiddling with knobs, a huge plus. That said, I did find some comments about the lack of a dedicated TIG torch, which can be a downside if you need that feature. But honestly, if you're looking for a solid all-in-one solution, this machine still delivers great value and performance. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive setup for both gas and gasless welding. On the flip side, skip this if you specifically need a dedicated TIG setup, as you will have to purchase that separately. At $149.99, it's a solid choice for its features and performance. Okay, that brings us to the last product. If you're looking for something even more compact, the next one might surprise you. Product number 5, the Futello 145A MIG Welder, which is priced at just $69.98. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, and its compact size really caught my attention. If you're on a budget and need something lightweight for DIY projects, this could be the one for you. Despite its small size and weight of just 7.5 pounds, this welder packs a punch with a 30 to 145A output range, allowing for a variety of welding tasks. It's designed with beginners in mind, featuring smart synergic control that auto-adjusts settings for you. That way you can get started without worrying about complicated configurations. However, some users mentioned that it can struggle with thicker materials. If you're planning on welding heavy-duty pieces, this might not be your best bet. But for light to moderate tasks, it genuinely performs well and is incredibly easy to handle. This is perfect for you if you're a weekend warrior or someone looking for a portable solution for small jobs. But skip this if you need to tackle heavy welding projects. At $69.98, it's an amazing value for casual users. With all 5 of these options reviewed, let's wrap this up and figure out which one stands out as the best choice. So, quick recap. The Yes Welder 135A is great for versatility at an affordable price. The Best Mig 135A shines with its complete accessory kit, while the Yes Welder 160A offers heavy-duty power. The Best Mig 145A brings robust functionality, and the Futello 145A is perfect for budget-conscious DIYers.